Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks, who I'm sure you will see in just a moment. There's Wyatt, for another video. So I'm coming to you from my living room floor because today's unboxing is a BarkBox. This is actually the December BarkBox, which I thought was never going to come. It just came a little bit ago. It's been torturing the sidekicks. They can't wait to get in, and while I was trying to set up, Wyatt was already trying to open it, so it is a little bit chewed already. If you're not familiar with BarkBox, it is a subscription for dogs. For Wyatt's size, can you see him? For Wyatt's size, it is $21 a month. For that, you typically get, let's see, 2 bags of treats plus an extra treat and 2 toys. You can add extras, you can double up, lots of things to do, but $21 a month, that's typically what you get. Are you excited, Wyatt? Are you excited about this? These are so fun. They always are so creative. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. They're always so creative with what they send. They always have such fun themes, and so far the sidekicks have loved them. So let's get in the camera view here and see what they're bringing for us this month. Zena, well, at least for December. Huh? What do you think, Wyatt? Zena, you ready for your BarkBox? Come on, join us. Join us so Wyatt have all the fun. Okay. This you can see, it's Peanuts themed. Check that out. I love it. And you can see it was supposed to be for Christmas. The sidekicks are already so excited. Oh, it looks, I love it already. Oh, look. Okay, I'm not going to let Wyatt see it for a minute because I want to show you. Look how cute this is. Wait, Wyatt, wait. Look at that. All right, he's going to have it. That was Snoopy. And look at Woodstock. Oh my, is that not adorable? It's a little present. I love it. I love it. So we're going to hide it from him. Did you see Zena? I know, she's all about the treats. It says, behind the squeaks, Woodstock would love to give you your dog this present. He really would. He's just having a hard time letting go. And this is a bungee, squeaker, and crazy crinkle. So this has a squeaker, I think. It does say there's a squeaker here somewhere. Oh, there it is. That one's a quiet squeak. Where are you going, Z? Zena's leaving. She's mad. No treats yet. So there is a squeaker, a crinkle. This one's not a loud squeaker at all. All right, let's see if I can distract Wyatt. I'm going to cut the tag off of this one so he doesn't chew it off himself. Did you see this one? Did you see it? All right, and Snoopy, so cute. I'm going to show you the close-up too. All right, so this one says it's a squeaker, a crazy crinkle, and it's a multi-part toy, which must mean that Snoopy is supposed to come out. Yeah, he is. He comes out of his doghouse. All right, Wyatt's leaving with the doghouse. So here's Snoopy. How cute! And does he... Hold on, Wyatt. Hold on. And he does have a squeaker, too. This is a little bit harder. There we go. What do you think? He's adorable, right? All right, do you see the house, Zena? The house has Christmas lights all around it, the little string lights, and it's got all kinds of noise, too. Did you want to see Snoopy? Did you want to see Snoopy? So cute, huh? I know, you just want the treat. I know you do. I know. I know. I know. All right. So next up we have a peanut butter and carob stick. All right. Shh. So this is... Oh my God. All right. Stop. Stop. All right. Shh. 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 This is peanut butter and carob recipe dog chew. So that's what this one is. Made in the USA. All right. And then we have a bag of Franklin's famous lamb chops. Lamb recipe dog treats. Look how cute that is. All right, I'm gonna quiet. Here. And I'm gonna have to give everybody a treat so that we get some quiet. Right? Okay, here. And these are tiny. Check those out. Tiny, tiny. Okay, Zena's giving us a little bit of quiet. All right, and these are made in the USA with domestic and imported ingredients. Wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, grain-free. And it says they are best if given by May 17th. These will be gone here in the next week. I love the little picture there. Look how cute that is. All right, is there something else? There's another bag in here you missed, Wyatt. Oh, you want more? Yes, I'm sure you do. All right, and this one is called the Good Beef Recipe Dog Treat. Zena does this all the time when she wants a treat, just FYI. Look how cute. Charlie Brown on there. And these are, what is this one? Oh, this one, it just says a beef recipe dog treat and has the same info on the back. Do you want to try this one too? Yes? Yes? All right, come on, get in the camera. Come on. You're not in the camera. What? All right, let's see what this one looks like. Here, okay, oh, you lost it here, Wyatt. Here. Where did it go? All right, here it is. Here's what this one looks like. Can you see that? It's a little bit bigger and it's more square. Hopefully it's coming across. All right, Wyatt's getting that one. I'll give you another one. I know. Okay, that's enough now. Enough. All right, that's everything inside my box. I don't think I caught this one to be able to buy them extras. And look how cute. It says, do your Snoopy dance for BarkBox Day. Hold a toy treat above your pup's head and watch them bust a move. Film a quick video and share it. Look, it says Happy Holidays. Look how cute. Christmas time is here and we're celebrating with the world's most famous beagle, Snoopy, and Woodstock, Charlie Brown, and the whole Peanuts gang. Know that happiness is a warm puppy, so snuggle up to the amazing dog by your side, the one who always makes you smile, no matter how much the world makes you say, good grief. Isn't that the truth nowadays, right? And here is some of the other fun toys that could have come. Love these. They have a You're a Snowman, Charlie Brown, Let Go, Linus, Deck the Halls, Woodstock. I got the regular Woodstock. They have a reindeer Woodstock. How cute is that? They have a Snoopy Claus dog house. Another Snoopy. Well, you have to be careful they don't run off with all the treats. They have a Good Grief bubble. Look how cute these are. Hopefully you guys can see those. So cute. And then on the back, they have psychiatric help, 5 cents. Tell us the best advice you ever got from your dog. For us, it's play more, take naps, and always be excited to see a friend. Hold this frame in front of your pup and take a picture for BarkBox Day. The dog tour is in. I might have to do that. Look how cute that is. How fun. I love the creativity. I love it. All right, is that the box? Are you guys done? You're already out of the camera view again? Zena's really good at that. She knows like how to like move so she's no longer in camera view. I think that's I think that's everything. So this box was so late. I love Snoopy. Is he not the cutest? And the doghouse is so fun, which is why it's not gonna let me pick up. He's just gonna go after anything I get. How fun is that? Now I'm really confusing it. Which one do you want? Which one? Which one? Which one? All right, he took Woodstock. What? What? Oh, that's a wrap on the chaos, everybody. How cute are these? I hope you had fun with us today. It was so fun bringing you this video. Up put all the information for BarkBox down below in case you want to give this a try. And until next time, I would love you to hit that like button. Please hang up the long home, hit that subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.